Welcome in the Universe community. My name is Sanchita Pandey, and our topic for today is, are you self motivated? Now, this begins right in the morning. How do you leave your bed? How do you get out of your bed? Do you have to drag yourself out of the bed? Do you just detest the very fact that the alarm is ringing to wake you up? Or it is morning and your eyes become so bright and you have this smile on your face and you want to leave the bed, you want to go and exercise, you're full of energy right in the morning. That is how you get up. You're so full of gratitude. Oh, this is a new day that I have been given by the universe, and you are thankful for it. You have already lot of ideas coming into your mind, and you have right on the previous day, you have planned out your next day to a certain extent. You know what all things you have to complete today. So you are half prepared. It is like you are so prepared for the day. The gift that you have every day. A new day is like a gift from the universe. So you know this and you are full of energy right in the morning. And this is the first thing that shows you are a self-motivated person. There are many people who complain, oh, it's Monday again. Oh, I have to go again. I have to go to office. That means they do not feel a sense of freedom. But as a self-motivated person, you have this sense of freedom. You feel free and full of energy right in the morning. The second thing that shows that you are a self-motivated person is that you accept the fact that success won't be yours all the time. So you have this habit of thinking positive. You are enjoying the journey. You are just working for the sake of working because you are actually enjoying what you are doing. You incorporate new ideas into it and you keep learning and bettering yourself each day. So you are moving one step forward every day. You are upgrading your skills, you are working on yourself, you are exercising, or you are learning new ways to complete your work. You are learning what not to do from others, and from those successful, you are learning how you should go about doing what you are doing. So that is how you are learning from everywhere. You are so open to new suggestions, new ideas, and that shows you are self-motivated. Nobody is pushing you forward to do something. It just comes out of you. You love your work and you are enjoying the process. The third thing that proves that you are a self-motivated individual is that any kind of failure never gives you the idea to quit. You cannot think negative. You just know somewhere it may be your intuition, imagination, or whatever you may call it. You just know one day it will happen. One day it will happen. You are hopeful and this gives you lot of positive energy. You are prayerful and this gives you lot of positive energy. You have faith in yourself and in the process and in the higher source. You know why will it not happen for you. So you just think positive. It must happen. Let me improve. Let me do what I can do and let me just go on. And your self affirmations are always positive. You go back to the past. Your memories are also one of those which will just encourage you to keep going. For example, if you take my example, I feel I am a self-motivated person, full of energy all the time joyful, and it is not that my life is perfect. It is just that I choose to focus on what is going on well. I am hopeful and I feel like I have the same energy as I had, the same hope, the same dreams. Some of them have been fulfilled and yet I have new dreams. It is like I'm still that 15-year-old girl. And I tell my children also that you have become 20, I'll always remain 16. Sweet 16. That is my way of believing, so that you can trick your mind into believing anything. So even when you are sick, you can talk to your mind about health. I am healthy, I am well. And when you are, say, 40 years old, you can say I am 16 and still feel young and beautiful and highly energetic, because your mind doesn't know the facts outside. Whatever you perceive from outside, that is what your mind knows. So when you say you are 16, actually you feel full of energy. So what is wrong? Another attribute of a self-motivated individual is they always have mentors. Now, mentors can be individuals, they can be authors, quotations, one-liners that always come in handy for you. So, you always have a mentor who will keep guiding you through good times, through bad times. When the times are good, you have to follow the mentor. What did your mentor say? Even during successful times, you must keep working, keep aligned, keep believing. Even during failures, you must go on, keep going, get up if you have failed, it doesn't matter. Better things will come your way. So all these one-liners will just keep you motivated. So this is also one really effective attribute of a self-motivated person. They are self-motivated and they keep motivating themselves further through these one-liners, through nice quotations that they have learned by heart. They love those quotations, and these quotations, these one-liners also guide them through life. And then they have mentors who guide their way. It is like they'll ask a question: if my mentor was there and I had posed this problem in front of him or her, what would he or she say to me? And they get the answers. Then they tap into your own intuitive intelligence, their intuition, and all the answers are there. So they have a higher third sense of intelligence. They are more woke, as we call it. And what you cannot see, they can see. It is like they have vision. They are visionaries. They may look very simple people, but they can see more than you can see. It is because of their awareness, high level of awareness and spiritual intelligence, whatever you may call it. For a self-motivated person, their work is their reward. They are not thinking, okay, tell me, you are asking me to do this work, what will I get from this? So they do not use the logical mind too much. Their work is their reward. And then when they do not run after money, money follows them everywhere. Because if you are highly skilled, if you love your job, you are positive and full of energy, doing your job well, who doesn't want such a person? And the best part is you can be your own boss. You can be free and you can work your own work. You can just do your own work. You do not have to find employment. You are self-employed and yet you are successful. You are doing well, and this gives them lot of positive energy. They are lovers of freedom. They want to be creative and they like to do things in their own way. They are their own self-critics also, but not in a negative way, just so that they may keep improving. In that way, they keep tab on how they are working, how they are behaving, are they improving or not. So this is also an attribute of a self-motivated person. They are self-critics. However, such a criticism only helps them grow further, only helps them improve in a positive manner. If you are a self-motivated person, you will have found your purpose in life. A self-motivated person is always connected with something higher, larger than himself or herself. Now, it can be service. They love to serve. They start small. They start serving. Their work also is a medium of serving people. So they are working, they are into something they love to do, so they are aligned with their purpose in life, and yet their work is also a medium of service for others. So they create a legacy. It is not just a job for them, more than that. So that is why I say that they are connected with something larger than themselves, and that gives them lot of energy, because now it is not about earning a living. It is more than that. It is finding their purpose, starting small but continuing, improving, going on despite difficulties, despite failures, and then reaching that beautiful light of success where they always wanted to reach. And it is not only beneficial for them, because they are connected with something that benefits others also. It is beneficial for everyone. So they grow and others grow too with them. That is how they connect themselves with a larger, something larger than themselves. And this is also one of the attributes of a self-motivated person. So their energy never subsides. Service, and people are happy, people are thankful to them, they receive messages of gratitude, and then there is an exchange of energy, of positive energy between those they are serving, and this is how they enjoy well-being. They look younger and they are full of energy, and that is how they get lot of satisfaction from whatever they are doing. You'll find that all successful people are actually self-motivated individuals. They love their work, they are connected with something larger than themselves, they have mentors, and they never procrastinate. They are ready to start small and yet build up on criticism, on the stones that others throw at them, and still they never quit. They are not quitters, they keep going, and these attributes make them successful. They believe in themselves, they will never procrastinate, and also they never care what others think about them, because they know that yes, when you think out of the box, you will look unique, you will be unique. So they know that they are some kind of a unique individual, and they do not fit in any group, and so it is okay for them. They are mostly occupied with their passion, with what they love to do, and then they keep growing. So it is not that they are loners, but they concentrate on their work, they focus on their work, and when they are successful, the whole world is yours actually. Everybody becomes your relative, your friend from nowhere. So that is also fine. So tell me, if you are self-motivated, if you are a self-motivated individual, you'll be full of energy, positivity, passion. Let me know in the comment section below if you are a self-motivated person or not. This is all in this video. Thank you so much, Inner Universe community. It is always so beautiful to connect with all of you. I love you, and I wish abundance, peace, blessings, love, and good health in your life. Thank you for joining me here. Namaste.